Hello, Jesse here with the Monroe School District Technology Department. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today we're going to go through the process of looking up our students' login information for their Chromebook. So to begin this process, we're going to open up a web browser and head over to the Monroe School District website at monroe.wednet.edu. From the Monroe School District website, we're going to go to the Families section. And under the Families section, we're going to go down to where it says Family Access. This will open up our Skyward page. And from here, we are going to log in with our Family Access credentials. Now, if you don't have Family Access credentials or a Family Access account, to get set up, you would click here and you would fill out the following form. It then takes 48 to 72 hours. You'll receive an email with account login information, and you should be able to come back here and sign in. So we'll go ahead and sign in to my Family Access account for my daughter. And once we type in our username and password, our Family Access comes up. So from here, we're going to go down to the left-hand side where it says Portfolio, and we're going to select Portfolio. Now in the middle, we should see where it says Student Login Information. We'll select underneath Liliana's name, Student Login Information for Jane Lake Elementary School. From here, this will generate the login information report, and in a moment, we'll select the button that says View Report. Okay, now we have her student login information report. In this report, we have her school email and her password. This is the information that we will need for her to log into her Chromebook, her school email and her password. So I will have my daughter type in her email address into the sign-in bar and her password, and that will get us onto her Chromebook. That is how we access her login credentials. So to recap, we went to the Monroe School District website, selected Family Access, logged into Skyward, selected Portfolio, Student Login Information, View Report, and we saw her login. If you have any questions about this process, please contact the Technology Help Desk at 360-804-2520. Thank you and have a wonderful day.